Hello and welcome to another video of this beauty series. This video is going to be the part 2 of beauty and pampering. So without any further ado, let's get started. Consider this to be the continuation of the first part, which is the coffee scrub. Because the beauty hack which I am going to show today can be done soon after the coffee scrub. For that, check out my previous video of coffee scrub, of which link I'll be adding up in the description box below. So before we start, we need 3 ingredients. First, we are going to take an empty, clean and dry bowl, 1 tablespoon of besan, half tablespoon of curd or yogurt, but here I have used curd. A pinch of haldi. It's better to use less haldi because if you use too much, then the color of haldi will remain on your face even after you remove your face pack. Let's mix it till it forms a paste. If you feel this paste is becoming little dry, then add little bit more curd in it. This face pack can be used once or twice a week. In fact, it's better to use it only once because using any type of face pack like more or maybe every day can cause your face to dry out. Your skin dries out. So it's better to use once a week. So this is how it looks like when you mix it very well. Before you'll use any type of beauty products, always wash your face thoroughly because applying any beauty products on top of makeup or maybe on a dirty face, then it might clog your pores. This Besan face pack is ready to be applied. So let's get started. I'll be using this beauty brush which is more probably used to apply face pack. I had ordered this brush from Amazon and I find it much better to apply face pack with this brush because it has these hard bristles. It's also fine to use your fingers, but then this brush gives more precision. Take little amount of face pack on a brush and start applying it. Once you finish applying it, wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Or if you are a person of high patience level, then wait till it dries. What I do is, if I am in a hurry, then I keep this face pack for 15 to 20 minutes. Or if I have time, then I wait till it dries. Because drying this face pack turns it into a natural face scrub. And once you scrub this face pack, it also removes the excess hair on your face. So if you want to use it that way, then avoid using coffee scrub before this because too much of exfoliation is bad for your skin. Once this face pack dries out, it will make your face a little bit stiff and you won't be able to move it. My face pack has not dried out still and that's why I can talk freely. But it's almost 15 minutes now and I think I have used too much of curd, that's why it is not drying out fast. So if you want to dry it out fast, then use less amount of curd and make the paste little dry. And in that case, the face pack will dry out fast. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this sponge, dip it into water and remove this face pack. And be gentle while using this sponge. You all can find this sponge on any cosmetic shop or any hardware shop and ask them to give you all softer sponge because there are different types of sponges. So it's better to use a softer one because it won't irritate your skin. This is how I'm going to remove my face pack. Let the sponge be this damp, like squeeze it a little bit and now Y'all can also wash your face directly in lukewarm water without using a sponge, but then using sponge does not make a mess. Like, it removes the face pack with much precision without it getting messed up on your clothes or maybe getting stuck into your hair. Once you're done removing the entire face pack, wash your face with normal or lukewarm water. Do not apply any lotion or moisturizer. Let your skin breathe naturally for some time. This is the glow you get after using this Besan face pack.
I'm so in love with my skin.
Another important instruction I would like to give is that always wash your beauty applicators before and after use to prevent bacteria from entering your pores or any dirt entering your pores. So this is how you can make your own natural face pack at home. This face pack is made from natural ingredients and not at all harmful. But we all have unique skin, so test before you try. So let me know how this natural face pack benefits you. For that, comment in the comment box below, and also if you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you in the part 3 of this beauty series.